Hell yeah, guys. Let's do this. First things first. Let's cook some filet mignon. I'm so stoked. There's so many waterfalls. I am buzzing with excitement. I want to do a food haul. So when I just went to my job training, I tried an orange for the first time and I loved it. So I got a bunch of oranges. So I went to Walmart today on my lunch break and I was like, I need more food, I think. And I saw this really expensive plastic container full of little filet mignons, and I don't have any seasoning because I did not prepare for this. We're gonna see what happens when I prepare my first filet mignon with no seasoning on the grill, and then I have muffins and oranges to eat. Tomorrow I want to have a good breakfast. I brought a pan so I can make breakfast burritos with eggs and beef and some cheese. That's what we like to hear. There is a man who is not the campsite next to me, but the campsite next to it. And he was like, if you need help with your fire, I'm over here. And he's probably trying to be nice. But I'm like, what's he doing? What's he doing? He's smoking a cigarette. And those songs are his. This is what it's looking like. Oh wait, sorry. That might be gross. I don't know when it's done. Let's just cut her open. She is overcooked. Uh-oh. Okay, but honestly, it smells really good, and I still have 3 to try. Maybe to get it right. Let me put her back on the skillet. Okay, my second attempt round of filet mignon is better, but the first batch was still good as heck, even without seasoning. And that is how it's supposed to be. Good morning, everybody. I'm gonna make some breakfast. Cheers. I'm stoked. Ah! She's blasted. I got a hair wash in. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry to the Colorado fans. I did not expect Vegas to beat y'all. This is what she looking like from up top. Ah! Wow! Who needs cups? Surf's up. I'm on top of my truck right now. That waterfall was really special to me because the first time me and my siblings as adults went on a trip without our parents was 2 years ago. Tomorrow. I didn't even plan that. 2 years ago, tomorrow, I was in the exact same spot with my siblings. I didn't even know it was going to be like on the same practical day. I didn't even know I was going to this waterfall. I went to a state park. And then I was like, one of these waterfall names sounds familiar. I'm like, oh my God, that's the waterfall I went to with my siblings. Yeah, that was a really like wonderful time. Some things look different. The waterfall was more lush and flowing this year than 2 years ago. It like brought up memories because 2 years ago when like me and my siblings took a trip and we were like all grieving. We're still grieving to this day, but it was like the fresh grieving and all of us had lost somebody together, and we went on this trip together, and the first time without our parents with us, and we went into that waterfall, and I took photos in the exact same places that I remember us taking. I remember laughing, I remember having a great time, and I remember just being really grateful that they were my siblings, and I still am to this day. But I don't like tell my siblings I love them, which I really should. I've gotten obsessed with oranges over the past week. What is that? The trees have eyes. These are eyes. This is how I end my adventure.